Well, now to the coronavirus pandemic in our state. Maryland recorded more than 1,800 new coronavirus cases just today. Hospitalizations and the positivity rate are down. And the state has launched a key component in its vaccination efforts, rolling out a campaign to convince people that the shots are safe. WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at Camden Yards, where Governor Hogan spoke this morning. He has more on that. Mike.
Denise, the state still has a major supply problem when it comes to doses of the corona vaccine, but today the focus was on building confidence in the shots.
This is the best of science.
Maryland launched their new GoVax campaign aimed at convincing people the vaccines are safe.
Proteja a su familia.
And led by Maryland National Guard Brigadier General Janine Burkhead.
I have received the vaccine, and I can tell you that it was no different than receiving the flu shot.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The state has faced criticism for a slow rollout, but Friday reported another 22,868 first doses administered. More than 7% of people in the Baltimore area have received at least one shot.
We're setting up all the infrastructure. We don't have enough vaccines, but we're hopeful that, by the end of next month, we'll be waiting, and those things will start, the trucks will start rolling in.
The governor says it was even tough at first to convince people working in the medical field to get the vaccine.
We were a little bit surprised, as were the hospitals, at the reluctance on the part of some of the healthcare workers. They were the first ones in 1A. We provided enough to do 100% of them, and the initial rollout was like 30% of them were getting vaccinated.
The nation faces a crisis with more contagious strains spreading across the country. But there's also encouraging news, with Maryland's positivity rate now under 6%, and the new single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine candidate being produced in Baltimore, just waiting to get the green light from federal regulators.
By the end of February, they will start shipping, and they're already produced.
Now, it could take the FDA some 2 to 4 weeks to issue their approval. Johnson & Johnson just today released their efficacy results. They show that their vaccine candidate is 66% effective overall. Reporting live at Camden Yards, Mike Halgren, WJZ.
All right, thank you, Mike. Now, we are breaking down vaccination information county by county in Maryland. Download the WJZ app and find out how and when you can sign up for the COVID-19 vaccine in your area.
Baltimore County Executive Johnny Olszewski is allowing youth sports to resume in the county starting this coming Monday with certain restrictions. For outdoor sports, attendance is limited to players, referees, coaches, and one parent per player. Face coverings are required for everyone not in the field of play and strongly recommended for those in play. The same rules apply for indoor sports. In addition, max indoor capacity is capped at 50% maximum occupancy.